How to grow hair faster with coconut oil, works fast. How to develop hair using coconut oil. If you're curious about the benefits of coconut oil, it's widely available. Then you most certainly aren't, but the first truth be told, coconut has long gone. Utilized as a moisturizer and occasionally a natural sunblock, coconut oil has a variety of uses. Is presently a mainstay in the beauty industry and hair care industries seeking a natural solution to increase your hair expansion. Coconut is the only option. Oil. Today, we'll go over the procedures for adding coconut oil to your hair to give it more volume. Not to worry, it's simple and also convenient. Simply make a few small preparations, like warming the air and drying your hair. Cocoa butter. The rest is straightforward. Continue observing to learn more. First, refrain from using it in the morning. Professionals advise against utilizing early in the morning coconut oil, because it requires time for your greasy hair as a result of hair soaking it up throughout the day. Hair. Therefore, the ideal moment to use it is at night. Second, it works best on dry hair. Warming the coconut oil will cause it to liquefy, making it easier to use, simpler to wash and rub into hands at the hair. Check if it's warm and not too hot. The hair cuticles will open as a result, improving the ability of the substances for your hair. Third, segment your hair into sections. The ideal method to guarantee that all hair is covered as a hair part. Use reasonable chunks to apply the oil so all hairs are covered. You can slather regions with additional coconut oil that are the driest and damaged. These regions are often at the ends of one's hair. Likewise, put less oil on the healthier parts, usually the mid-shaft and scalp area. If you have thin hair or your scalp is quick to get greasy, don't apply coconut oil on the scalp so the oil won't weigh your hair down. Number 4. Leave it on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. That's the general rule, but for those who have very dry or porous hair, it's better to let the oil sit up longer. In fact, some leave it overnight. You can do this 2 if it isn't a bother to you. Number 5. Use a shower cap to get the most of the coconut oil's benefits. Put a shower cap on your hair and wrap it in a warm towel that has just come from the dryer. A hairdryer can also be used to warm it for a short period of time. Heat will cause the hair cuticles to open, assisting the oil and improving penetration through the strands. Wash your hair. At number 6. For those are applying coconut oil to their hair or an overnight procedure, be careful to completely cleanse it. Bring a few washers and cycles to get rid of the grease on your first attempt could not produce the finest outcomes. Therefore, you might need to try several approaches. How much oil your hair requires and how long you should leave it on. But putting those things aside, it's very simple. Respondent under. If you enjoy the video, click like up and tell your friends about it. To learn more fascinating details about the body push, visit the channel.